it would also be nice to look at the procedure. What is the procedure when a court ruling is given? How is the police notified? Is it just that the police reads the thing in the newspaper or hears it on the radio and then carry out? So what is the procedure? I think it would be nice to.
Well, I'm not a lawyer, so I'm not going to trash that out. But to the extent that they had, and to the extent that they knew how the place closed in the first place, they should have been proactive. Like I said,
once the judgment came,
exactly, gather the two sides now for a meeting and let them let them hear their views, and then let them know the police now being the mediator. That look, the way things are, if you guys don't bury your hatchet and see your differences and let's move forward, we will not allow any activity at that point. They could have done that instead of now unleashing the mayhem on people. I mean, these are human beings, elected reps of the people, being tear gas anyhow. Two wrongs never make it right anyway. I mean, on that score, I didn't like it. We don't know if people lost their lives in the process.
It seems from the video that we've got that some people got hurt, but it wasn't a case of anybody got killed.
Larry, now when we're looking at the situation as it is, and what Mr. Aria is just alluding to, that the police should have done a bit more, do you stand on the same ground that the police could have done and should have done a bit more in terms of helping to make this?
We probably should take it in context and then go back a bit to understand what role the police has played in this milieu. It's obvious, like Mr. Ario said, that the police has clearly become a party in this. The police has acted in a very, where it's a neutral ground, in a very professional manner, to say, hey, hold on. I mean, judgments of the courts are not acted on based on the newspapers. I mean, there had to be evidence, there had to be communications, there had to be facts for them to work with. So at that point in time, then it is necessary that they are communicated to, and then they can then study what conditions are also attached to the ruling of the court. And at that point, it becomes a professional job for the police. The police now clearly display the partisanship by shooting tear gas at the members of the House of Assembly.
But they would state that they were doing it to prevent the
no, they have only prevented them from from accessing the assembly. It stops at that. The court did not say the members of the assembly should not sit anywhere. They have even said go ahead. And that's what you had earlier, is that the National Assembly takes over the legislative function of the House. The members, the 26 of them that you call the majority, can afford to sit anywhere, to even have a meeting. I mean, you don't have a base. They can sit outside the assembly to review the situation and then disperse from there to go and take necessary action.
Okay, let's quickly go to Port Harcourt, because we've got a member of the Rivers State House of Assembly, Kelechi Nwosu, on the line. Good morning. Good morning, Honorable Kelechi Nwosu.
Hello, good morning. How are you doing?
I am good, and we just want to find out, you belong to a group that is said to be the group of 5 or 6 who went to court to secure this court approval to commence sitting. What was the reason behind that, considering the fact that some people are saying that there is still a level of tension that should not have allowed the court to give or grant your request?
Yeah, thank you very much. First of all, I don't belong to a group. I'm a member of Rivers State House of Assembly, and there is no group there. First of all, what you have to know is the National Assembly took the Rivers State job in a hurry, and we went to court. And when we went to court, and the court said no, Rivers State House of Assembly can sit, and don't forget that after the impeachment of the former Speaker Otele Amake, the executive arm of government, led by the governor of Rivers State, came to the assembly and said they have passed a supplementary budget. So how can you explain when the House cannot see? How would they go in and pass a supplementary budget? That is what I want to ask. And come to the other issue. What you have to know is Nigerians have not known that impeachment took due process. That is what we have not addressed. People are saying 5 members. People are saying 6 members. You have not asked yourself, did this impeachment took due process? If yes, have we nullified that impeachment you are talking about? We need to know whether that impeachment took due process or not. An impeachment took due process, so that impeachment needs to be nullified before you think of peace. That is how we stop for now. I'm waiting for your call again.
Okay. Don't go away because we're not through with asking the question. We're hoping that you answer a few more questions before you go away. Now, the next question will be that you've gone to court, you've secured the authority of the court to commence sitting. And one of the people in here in the studio is saying that it is not right, whether you're a majority or minority group or faction, that you have to call the entire assembly. When are you looking to sit, and have you informed all the members of the State Assembly?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. The Speaker, Right Honourable BP, has issued a statement that the House was supposed to reconvene on Friday, and he sent a letter to the police, and the police is telling Evans BP that they have another letter from another state saying that they are Speaker. On that note, police said no, I won't allow what happened before to happen again. You people go back to court and say this is who is the authentic Speaker. That is exactly why police barricade the place. So there are two factions in their Speaker, and Elizabeth is saying that he is a Speaker.
Okay, so you are saying that Honorable BP is the Speaker, and there is a different Speaker that is being known to be the Speaker since the commencement of this House of Assembly, this particular one. So how do you want to resolve it? Because as far as River State people are concerned and Nigeria is concerned, there cannot be two speakers in one State House of Assembly.
Yes, thank you very much. That is the problem now. Now, there is a matter in court already. The former Speaker, Otele Amake, have gone to court, saying that the court should declare him the authentic Speaker of Rivers State House of Assembly. Let us have the interests of Rivers people more than ourselves. Now, if he was not properly impeached, why did he go to court, saying that the court should declare him as an authentic Speaker? And now the court has returned the job back to Rivers people. So it's expected that this matter is a sub judice for now. Everybody should shield his or her soul and let the court declare somebody an authentic Speaker. That is my own view. Because he has already gone to court, saying the court should declare him the Speaker of an Assembly. That his impeachment was wrong or did not take due process. So Evans has joined in that suit. Evans has joined himself in that suit. So right now, so who else? What do you expect the police to do at this time?
Okay, let me ask you then, if somebody comes to you, Honorable, and call you a thief and a fraudster, would you not go to court and confirm that you are not, and actually get the person to be imprisoned for slander or libel or whatever you want to call it? Because that seems to be what the Right Honorable Amakri is saying.
No, that's not true. If he has gone to court asking for an injunction restraining his mouth to parade himself as a speaker, then this idiom you're using now could work. But right now he's saying that his impeachment was wrong. So he is not saying the same thing. He can't drive. He does not say the same thing you're saying now. He has gone to court saying that they should declare him the authentic speaker. He is not saying that court should restrain the other man from parading himself as a speaker.